We are a group of Oregon State engineering students teaming up with our clients, Smile and RCRV, to solve an engineering problem. This challenge requires a large team of 7, each of whom has a different responsibility, but we all work together. Before we get into the engineering problem we are solving, let's meet the team.
Hi, my name is Kenan Braun, and I'm a fourth-year mechanical engineering student, Oregon State University.
Hello, my name is An. I'm a mechanical engineer.
Hi, I'm Abid Wadi. I'm doing industrial engineering.
Hi, I'm Justin LeBlanc. I'm a fourth-year mechanical engineer.
Hi, I'm Zaidul Amiri. I'm an industrial engineer.
Hi everyone, I'm Michaela Burns. I'm a fourth-year mechanical engineering student.
Hi, I'm Jason Poe. I'm a fifth-year mechanical engineer.
Oregon State University is leading the design and construction of the next class of ocean-going research vessels for the National Science Foundation. This trio of vessels will serve as floating laboratories and allow scientists to perform research out in the ocean. The first of the 3 ships, the RV Tony, will be operated by the College of Earth, Ocean, and Atmospheric Sciences. This 199-foot-long vessel is ideal for research out in the open ocean, but cannot travel to shallow waters, rivers, or watersheds. To solve this problem, our team of engineering students is working to create a mini portable research vessel inspired by the Tony for scientists to use in nearshore ecosystems. In this video series, we will be walking you through the design process of our mini research vessel. In this video, we defined our problem. In the next, we will talk about the familiarization phase.